Shemai, hello, welcome back to Wales in the Movies. I'm Nick and I do this channel. I've had a few new subscribers this week, so first of all I want to say thank you for subscribing. I hope I can give you some good Welsh content. Secondly, I've got to apologise to you because you may well have come here from the Nation Cymru article this week where I advertised that I was going to be uploading an episode a week of the classic Welsh documentary history series The Dragon Has Two Tongues, directed by Colin Thomas. Unfortunately, what's happened is that I uploaded episode 1 and then I was issued with a copyright warning from YouTube on request from ITV to take the video down. So first of all, I'll just say that I had hoped to upload the entire series, one episode a week with a debate at the beginning and end, because currently it's a dead asset for ITV or whoever it is that really owns the copyright. They haven't shown it on television in 32 years. It's not available on any of their websites like the ITV Player, for example, and they haven't released it on DVD for the people of Wales to consume and to digest. So I thought hopefully I'll upload it and I'll see what happens. I had a chat with the director, Colin Thomas, a couple of years ago, who's also very keen for it to be seen. Anyway, I'll give you a little bit of an update as to what happened and to why I've had to take the videos down and I can't upload anymore. Just after I uploaded the first video, I got an email from a gentleman called Owain Meredith at ITV, who was very polite, but who said to me that we need to discuss copyright licensing first, i.e. before I uploaded it. Anyway, it was already on the web by then, so I responded saying that, yeah, what do you need to know? You know, what do I need to do in order to upload this? And Owain responded by advising me that the copyright licensing footage would cost me £7.30 per second of material, which roughly equates to £143,000 to upload the entire series onto YouTube, money which obviously I haven't got. So I responded to Owain advising that I would upload the series anyway for the people of Wales to view under what they call Fair Dealing UK, which is a law I don't fully understand, but it's a copyright law which enables you to upload stuff if it's for the purposes of education, criticism or comment, which I kind of think I was doing. But anyway, I got a then email back from ITV after I uploaded the first episode, which had 500 views in less than 24 hours, which is pretty good for this channel. Only got 800 odd subscribers. The email, again, totally polite, very communicative from Owain at ITV, stating that they asked YouTube to take the content down and I quote, cease and desist from uploading more ITV Wales copyrighted material without discussion with ITV first. I'll just read the rest of the email to you. The library, that's the National Library of Wales, are hoping to do a Dragon Has Two Tongues season. It is, as you note, one of the classics, and perhaps we could discuss enhanced access at this time. The content, not the copyright, now resides at the National Library of Wales and is freely accessible to view there. Yeah, I know, but no one wants to travel to Aberystwyth to watch it in a dusty old booth with headphones when they can watch it and digest it in the comfort of their own home, right? So Owain continues, one idea we have been using, for example, is uploading onto our YouTube channel and then the link is freely available. Well, this sounds great, right? But the National Library get the hits and the benefit from this. Can I get in touch with you when plans are firmed up? So I responded, saying I'm disappointed in ITV because they haven't done anything with this footage for a while, but I appreciated, Owain being so communicative about this and reaching out to me in a very polite and non-threatening manner. So again, I really appreciate that. So I'll just read you my response. I must say thank you for the response, but I'm heartily disappointed in ITV. This is a non-monetized channel and I'm not looking to make any money for uploading this classic series, etc, etc, etc. However, I'm greatly encouraged by the possibility that you mentioned that the entire series could be uploaded onto a YouTube channel, either ITV or National Library of Aberystwyth soon. I will of course desist from uploading the rest of the series as I don't want to lose this channel, wee channel that I've spent 4 years building up, etc, etc, etc. In all sincerity, thank you for your courtesy in contacting me personally, blah blah blah. So it was all very nice, and I then got a response, the final response from Owain, saying, thanks Nick, I completely agree, this is a series that must be seen again. It's an absolute classic. I've been trying this is the important bit, I've been trying for years to get it rebroadcast, but have always been told that the copyright is too complicated. I'm a little bit confused by this because they more or less asked me for money in order for me to be able to upload it. So if I can upload it by paying ITV, then surely they can allow me to upload it legally. So Perhaps they're just after some money, I don't know, but that to me seems a little bit of a contradiction to the idea that I can't upload it for copyright reasons. Anyway, Owen continues saying, however, I'm hoping the Dragon Has Two Tongues season at the library will be the push needed to get the episodes out for the public to view. I'm hoping to do this next year and get guest speakers to introduce episodes, including the incredible Colin Thomas. The YouTube channel I was hoping to upload is the National Library YouTube channel, and they get the hit benefit, which then indirectly, of course, helps further preservation of the vast ITV Wales collection. So it sounds perfectly reasonable if they're going to go ahead and do it. Thanks for understanding. I'll keep you posted on the Dragon Has Two Tongues season next year, and I'm sure we're all working towards the same end. So it's all very nice. Like, I know some people have been saying that they've been threatening me. They haven't been threatening me. They just asked for 143 grand for me to upload, which obviously is a bit passive aggressive to ask for that, because they must know that I haven't got that sort of money. But what Owen is saying here is that they are going to try and get it online next year. So there are two YouTube channels they can do that on, like they mentioned, their own ITV YouTube channel or the National Library of Wales. Like, I have got double the subscribers of the National Library of Wales, maybe even 4 times as much. So, I'm happy for them to get the hits. If it goes on their channel, I'll do podcasts about it. I'll do reviews of each episode. I'll do commentaries of each episode. Like, we're hoping to get more documentaries made as a result of this becoming available to the public. So what I'm going to ask you to do, viewers, is to keep an eye on this on Twitter, Facebook, and in the media. This may get a story in the papers soon, because this is a classic series. It definitely needs, at this time in our history, to be involved in the national conversation of Wales. And as I've written this week, that Wales is poorer, the public are poorer for this absence, for the absence of this documentary series in our media lives. It needs to be seen, and I think that ITV and the National Library need to work together to get this available for the public as soon as possible. If that doesn't happen, what we could possibly look at doing is just more publicity about it, or I'm thinking about starting up some sort of crowdfunding. If 28,000 people paid £5 each, we could own the rights as the public of Wales to upload it and then use it how we see fit. So there's lots of options. Like I say, if you subscribe to the channel, in order, I've got a Gwynalf Williams stammer going on. If you subscribe to the channel in order to view these episodes, I can only apologise. I'm hoping you can stay around and watch some of my other Welsh content. I'm doing a full review of the movie Pride this week, and our first podcast is going out tomorrow. With a man called Joe Richards here, and it's called Imperial Probe. But again, apologies if you come here for The Dragon Has Two Tongues. I'm not going to be able to upload it yet, but I'm going to be putting pressure on ITV and the National Library of Wales, and I hope you can join me in retweeting, in sharing messages, to get this series online for us to watch and analyse and debate as quickly as possible. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you later. Ta-ra!